Thank you. The Elkmont teenager convicted of killing 5 of his family members in 2019 appeared in court today for his sentencing hearing. Mason Sisk was 14 years old at the time of those killings. He's now 18.
And he is facing a possible sentence of life in prison without parole after being found guilty in April of fatally shooting his parents and 3 young siblings while they slept. Circuit Judge Chad Wise said he would not issue a sentence today, but wanted to wait to hear testimony and arguments.
News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker has been in court all day. She joins us now live from Limestone County with the latest.
Yeah, we heard from several witnesses here today. Several of the state's witnesses were relatives of Mary Sisk. That's Mason Sisk, a stepmother. We also heard from some law enforcement officers, and we heard from people on both sides, but there was an outpouring of grief and anger from Mary's family directed directly at Mason Sisk. They told him that they welcomed him into their family and he destroyed it, leaving them brokenhearted. Mary's sister said his terrible choices brought him to this point. Some family members said they hope the judge imposes the harshest possible sentence. In this case, that would be life without the possibility of parole. Meanwhile, several of the defense's witnesses told the court they did not believe Mason was responsible for the crimes. They said he was a gentle, caring person and said his father had created an abusive environment. They also expressed concern that Mason would not be safe in an Alabama prison. The defense also called a former prison warden to testify to that point. He said that inmates already know who Sisk is because of the attention the case has received, and it's likely they're anticipating his arrival. The defense asked the judge to sentence Mason to life with the possibility for parole after 30 years on all 4 counts of capital murder. They argued he is certainly capable of rehabilitation. Now, the state wants the harshest sentence, life in prison without parole. Limestone County District Attorney Brian C.T. Jones told the court, quote, "When we go to bed at night, lock our doors and turn our alarms on, he's what we're afraid of," pointing at Mason in the courtroom. He said, "When kids are scared of monsters, he's who they're afraid of." Now, Judge Wise chose not to hand down that sentence today and says he has to do a little bit more weighing out of some different factors before he can make that decision. He also said he's taken the testimony and the statements read today in the courtroom under advisement, and that decision will be made at a later point. Now, I asked Mason Sisk following today's hearing as he was being escorted out to the police cruiser here if he had any reaction to anything that was said in the courtroom today. He had no response. For now, reporting live from Limestone County, I'm Dallas Parker, News 19.